Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add solution to the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 flow. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, Roborock only recommends using their own cleaning solution, so it's up to you if you want to be adventurous and use another brand's cleaning solution. For their own solution, you have to mix it for this particular model. I found it really interesting that there's no built-in dedicated solution tank. I even double-checked and triple-checked to make sure I wasn't missing anything, but there's no dedicated solution tank for this model. So that just means you're taking the clean water tank and you're going to add a couple capfuls of Roborock's cleaning solution to this tank. This is a 4-liter clean water tank, and Roborock advises a 1 to 200 ratio for mixing solution. What that boils down to for you is going to be basically 2.5 capfuls of Roborock cleaning solution, 20 milliliters into this tank. So just remember that. 2.5 capfuls, excuse me, of cleaning solution to a 4-liter tank for your Roborock. So go ahead, you can add your capfuls in first and then fill it up the rest of the way with clean water. But that's how you're going to do that. If you want to use cleaning solution with this particular product, you have to mix it yourself, a 1 to 200 ratio, or for the 4-liter tank, 2.5 capfuls, and you're all set and ready to go.